Hey guys, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the AFMC car show in Kingsland, Georgia. And this is Car Show Cam. This was a good little show. Kind of a little on the small side. But, there were other shows going on. And Daytona Turkey Run was going on, so a lot of people probably were down there. But anyway, it was a good show. Nice little chill, laid-back show. Anyway, so I took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share to keep these videos right at you.
Yeah. Don't look like there's a whole lot there.
Yeah. I'll spin around and go back. Now the question is there somewhere that says entrance and exit? Jacksonville's classic hits.
Mommy Vice is here.
You think, park right here?
Yeah, I guess. Just don't block the drive.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying not to do. Also try not to hit this post back here.
Butch is watching us.
Good, you think?
You gonna unload or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because there's cars back yonder.
Okay.
To order those.
Yes, you do.
Yeah,
Why don't you order those and your stickers at the same time?
That's the plan, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, it's over here.
Yeah.
Didn't know where the hell's my phone.
He said, yeah, they know we're busy.
That's a bit of an understatement.
I had to have some water. I'm thirsty. Alright, yeah, you can get out.
Yeah. Liquidators
Hot.
or not?
No, I don't think so. Not today.
Alright, we'll do that tomorrow.
Is that Jim?
That's Chuck.
Chuck. Okay. See you next week.
Damn camper parked down there.
Yeah. Well, they were interested enough to come back and look. That's all right. See you later. And one of them stayed in the van, in the camper.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this video from the AFMC car show in Kingsland, Georgia. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to drop us a like or a comment or share it around to your car show friends and car show people or just car people in general. It really help out the channel, help us grow. So, anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.